Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. On today's ELOs, expected learning outcomes of number 8 are: the student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 8. Okay? After that, order and sequence numbers to 8. Got it? So, first of all, we will develop the sense of counting, how to count the objects. Okay? You could show different objects. You could use the lights that are in the class, doors, windows, colors, pencils, crayon colors, bags, chairs, or you could go outside for a nature walk. You could say to the students, count 8 leaves and keep them on the table. Okay, so they will go outside, bring 8 leaves and keep them on the table, and you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After developing the sense of counting, we will give introduction of number 8, how to trace it, how to write it. Okay, they could definitely recognize it. So let's start. How many quills are there? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 quills. 8 quills twist and roll in the wind. 8 quills twist and roll in the wind. So twist your body and then roll around in place like this. Very good. So, how to write it? There are 2 ways we will give introduction to the students, like start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. It will make a circle, make another circle. It will make number 8. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. Make another circle. It will make number 8. Make a circle, make another circle. It will make number 8. Start from the dot, make a cap, come slant down, go back and go up. It will make number 8. So after counting the object, we will teach how to trace number 8 to our class. I hope so you have learned a lot through this lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.